Hi, welcome to First Baptist Church in Streator, Illinois. My name is Pastor John, and we have been around for 137 years. Have you ever thought, I wonder what it would have been like back in 1873 for people to say, you know, one of these days I'm going to be able to just hit a couple of things on something called a keyboard and be able to go any place and learn anything and hear somebody talk that I've never met before. They didn't have telephones back then. But we have a lot to offer now. We have a 9 o'clock Christian education class that will help you to grow closer to the Lord and learn more about Him. We have a wonderful worship service at 10:30, and it's all about Christianity. Christianity is a great, great religion. It offers two things. It offers personal salvation for eternity and power for life right now. When you commit yourself to Jesus Christ, He will give that life to you, that power to you, and the wisdom that you need to succeed. It's an exciting adventure, and hope you come with us as we go on it together.